I'm Kerry from L'Atelier, Manitoba, Cadieux Farms, fifth generation farmer. Strictly grain, corn, soybeans, wheat and canola mainly. We've heard of Elmer's manufacturing since pretty much day one. My dad, knowing Elmer's, and in the past we've had his field cultivators, we've had some row crop cultivators and edible bean equipment. You know, when we heard about down pressure being put on a Harrow, we thought that was just a great idea. The number one thing would just be how precise it is relative to how it's working the ground. So if you want to work an inch deep, you can set it to work an inch deep, and you're going to get it as close as you can to working it an inch across the entire platform. So you're not coming through a drain and it going, okay, the way the land is changing, we're going to have 1 inch over here and 2 inches there, 4 inches there, and then hardly tickling on one end because the wheel's being pulled up. So that Harrow is actually moving with the land, and that's really what you want. You want even depth across the entire platform. Precision is key. That's how we're going to be successful when it comes to prepping the land in spring and putting seed in the ground and working the ground in fall. The more precise we can get, the better the result is going to be. We know that for sure. So when we heard about the hydraulic down pressure that was coming down the pipeline, we knew we needed to try it out and see how it worked. We're not really using it for fall, but for spring prep, it is a very, very good tool. I mean, there's always doubt with new technologies and new farming practices and these things, but if you don't try it, you just won't know. The worst thing is you try it and you don't like it, and then you move on to the next option. But trying things is pretty powerful. You can really learn a lot, and it can really lead to some really good results. I would recommend the new Super 7 Harrow to the grower that wants to use it in fall or spring, or both. For spring use, you have more precision. You're not going to go too deep if you don't want to. You're going to have that really nice finish across the board with the 7-tine system, which was in the previous edition, but with the hydraulic down pressure, you're just that much more precise. And then for the guy using it in fall, when you're collecting straw and spreading it out with the hydraulic down pressure, you're getting that evenness that you want, the same as in spring. And you're not dropping the straw in areas that have an impression or the bottom of a drain. The hydraulic down pressure, that section is going down with the drain. So you're going to get that. You're going to carry that straw through the drain, and maybe there's a bit of straw in the bottom of the drain. You're going to catch that and bring it back up and spread it out evenly. So, I would recommend it to the guy that wants to use it for both applications.